pour vinegar in your washing machine, and regretted not doing it before? Have you ever noticed your clothes coming out of the laundry smelling a little less than fresh? Over time, washing machines trap soap scum, body oils, and hard water minerals, creating a breeding ground for bacteria and musty odors. Today, we are walking through a highly effective, science-backed DIY method to deep clean your machine using non-toxic household staples. We're starting with a clean, empty glass bowl. Using glass is ideal here because it's completely non-reactive, ensuring our ingredients maintain their full chemical potency. Our first active ingredient is white vinegar. We are measuring out exactly 250 milliliters. Household white vinegar typically contains about 5% acetic acid. This mild acidity is a powerhouse for laundry maintenance because it chemically breaks down the alkaline calcium and magnesium deposits left behind by hard water. It also dissolves the stubborn layer of residual detergent buildup that lines the inside of your drum and hoses. Carefully measure your 250 milliliters and pour it into your glass bowl. Next, we are adding exactly 1 tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate, commonly known as baking soda. Baking soda is a mild alkali and a natural deodorizer. When we add it to the acidic vinegar, it triggers an immediate chemical reaction, releasing carbon dioxide gas. This is what causes that intense, foaming fizz. This effervescent action isn't just for show. The bubbling helps mechanically loosen and lift physical grime and soap scum from surfaces. Watch the reaction closely and let it do its job. Take a spoon and stir the mixture thoroughly. We want to ensure the baking soda is fully integrated. As you stir, you'll notice the heavy foaming begin to subside, settling into a clear, supercharged liquid solution. By combining these two ingredients, we create a powerful dual-action flush that will target both acidic and alkaline odors, completely neutralizing the damp, musty smell that often gets trapped in front-load gaskets or top-load agitators. Now carry your solution over to the washing machine. For optimal results, pour this mixture directly into your machine's liquid bleach or detergent dispenser tray, or pour it straight into the drum if you're running a load of dark towels that need a boost. Set your machine to the tub clean or sanitize cycle, ensuring you select the hottest water temperature available. The thermal energy of hot water accelerates the chemical breakdown of grime. Press start, let the cycle run completely, and your washing machine will be thoroughly sanitized, descaled, and smelling brand new. Creating a clean, peaceful sanctuary starts with the unseen details of our home, like the appliances that take care of us every day. And there you have it. Once the cycle finishes, open up that machine, and you'll immediately notice the difference. No more musty odors, no more leftover soap scum. Just a sparkling clean drum and a completely fresh slate for your next load of laundry. Taking care of the appliances that take care of your home is the ultimate game changer for a healthy, fresh routine. If you love simple, effective home tips like this, make sure to hit that follow button. Drop a comment below, letting me know if you're trying this on your next reset day. And save this video so you can easily find it later. See you guys in the next video.